What is BOI report? Well, basically, beneficiary of ownership information is the report which is required by the FinCEN, which is a regulatory authority in the US, that you must have to file for every LLC which you have registered in the US. You just need to add in the information for your personal data and the data you have for your LLC, just such as their name, their information, their addresses, their EIN number, and other stuff. You just have to input that information. It would just take you like 5 to 10 minutes of your time. You don't have to pay anyone for do this for yourself. Okay, so if you want to do that by yourself, you can just head over to the FinCEN official website, which is BOI filing fincen.gov. If you go to the official website and you will click over to the BOI FinCEN e-filing option, and you will see this option right there with which type of filing that you want to do for your company. So in this case, you should click on the initial report if you're filing this just for us first time for your business. So click on the initial report just right there, go down, and you don't have to read this one, and click on the next. Well, and one thing also, that it must not take you more than 5 minutes, because it usually you have to add the information about your LLC and the complex structure. If your LLC does have a complex structure, like you have 10 owners, 20 owners for your LLC, then it might take you more time. But if you have very few ownership structure and very few number of owners for your LLC, then it won't make you less, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes maximum. But on some point it would take like 5 to 10 minutes. So if you can go to the second part, if you don't have FinCEN ID yet, then you can click on the request to receive it, enter your LLC name right there, and if you can go there, enter your EIN number for your LLC, and you just go down, add the jurisdiction of the country in which your LLC is registered, which is United States in my case, and add the state right there, and add the address. Click on next, and add company applicant. It's basically the name of the individual who is the owner of that company, who on behalf of that we are filing for this BOI report. And if you can go down, you can add the address for that individual, which could be the same as the company address, and add the foreign passport, or if you are living in the US, if you have state ID or foreign ID, then you can also select this one. If you can go down, you have to also attach your passport or driving license along with it. If you can click on next, in here you can just add the same information if you want to add more beneficiaries. But if you already have a beneficiary added up in the company applicant, you don't have to add this information. If you can click on the next, then you have the option to submit this beneficiary of ownership report. That's it. That's you only need to do to file your beneficiary of ownership report. It's not a complex process, and you don't really have to pay anyone for this. Thank you for watching this video.